It is Chika Donnie. Gusto kong magtrabaho mag-isa. I wanna work alone. Ang maring sabi ng binata nang tanungin ng isang chismosa na ngayong maghihiwalay na sila bilang love team ni Belle. Gusto niya bang magkaroon ulit ng love team? Hindi na, ayaw ko na. Si Belle lang, last na siya. Kaya kami naghiwalay bilang on-screen partner Dahil I really wanna keep Belle and I, pagdating sa work, very separate. Chika pa nito. Dagdag pa niya, we told each other, let's not work together. Let's keep everything very, very separate. In the industry, it's so easy na mag-rumble na lang, na maging confusing na ang lahat. So we told each other na do your thing and I'll do my thing. When we see each other, it's nothing to do with work. It's just a real life, anya pa. Umaasa naman ang jowa ni Belle na darating din ang panahon na maiintindihan ng fans nila ng singer-actress ang kanilang desisyon. I hope someday people will understand and keep separate. Especially with work, I hope someday, but I guess it's hard because that's reality. We can't turn around from reality, so we just live, we do what we can do, and do our best. Sabi pa ng binata.